Here's an interesting variation on Project 31. This time the LED lets you see the effects of capacitor charging and discharging. When you finish the wiring connections, set the select switch to B and then set the control knob to on. Quickly set the select switch to A. You'll then see LED 1 slowly begin to light up. After a few moments, LED 1 will reach maximum brightness and glow with a steady light. When that happens, set the select switch to B. LED 1 will start to gradually fade out, eventually going completely dark. Take a look at the schematic. Can you figure out how this project works? Give it your best shot and then turn this manual upside down for the answer. With the select switch set at A, current flows from the batteries to charge the 100 microfarad capacitor. As this capacitor builds its charge, it enables the transistor to operate and light the LED. When the select switch is at B, no current from the batteries can reach the capacitor. It begins to discharge and provides weakening current for the transistor. Eventually, the capacitor will no longer provide enough current for the transistor and the LED will go out. See? There was nothing hard about that. Unless, of course, you try to read it without turning the manual upside down.
This has been a Cassette Master production.